Welcome to third standard social class video session, lesson 4, Knowing My Country, India. Already we learned about the states. In today's session, we are going to learn about one of the state in India, that is Jammu and Kashmir. In this heading, we are going to learn about the information about Jammu and Kashmir, the location, capital, important cities, places of interest, important crops, traditional food and traditional dress, language spoken, folk dances and handicraft which are famous in Jammu and Kashmir.
Do you know, children, which is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir and where it is located in India? Now, let us see. Jammu and Kashmir is located in the northern part of India. Jammu and Kashmir is popularly known as the heaven of India. And do you know, children, Switzerland is known as the heaven on earth because it is a mountainous central European country with beautiful natural surroundings. Here, Jammu and Kashmir is compared with Switzerland because of its nature. Jammu and Kashmir is world famous for its scenic splendor, snow-capped mountains, plentiful wildlife, hospitable people, and local handicrafts. There are 28 places to visit in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, let us learn about the capital city of Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Srinagar is called as the heaven on earth. It is the most beautiful and famous places to visit in Kashmir as well as in India. This is also the largest city of Kashmir. This place is enclosed by the green mountains and the main highlight being the Dal Lake, which is the gem of the city. Some of the important cities in Jammu and Kashmir are Pahalgaon, Sunmarg and Gulmarg. Pahalgaon is a hill station in the North Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. Pahalgam is famous for its scenic beauty. Here, Lidar Valley, located in the high Himalayas, it provides an ideal setting for activities like hiking, trekking, and fishing. It is also the starting point of the annual pilgrimage to the holy cave of Amarnath. The period between March to November is the best time to visit Pahalgaon as the weather is good for the outdoor activities. Sunmarg is a hill station in Ganderbal district in the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, about 80 km northeast of Srinagar. Sunmarg has ancient importance because it was a gateway on the ancient Silk Road that connect Kashmir with China. It provides as a base camp for Ladakh and is a military very important for India. In the winter, Sunmarg become a valley covered in white gold, thereby living up to its name. Sunmarg which means meadow of gold, enchanting beauty of flowery meadows. Gulmarg is a town, a hill station, a popular skiing destination, and a notified area committee in the Baramulla district of the Indian Administrative Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The town is situated in the Pir Panjal range in western Himalayas. It is completely safe to visit Gulmarg. It remains populated with tourists throughout the year from all corners of India. It is rather one of the few places in Kashmir that does not get affected by the regular biosphere about visiting this part of our country. Now let us learn some of the places of interest in Jammu and Kashmir. They are Dal Lake, Hazrat Bal Mosque, Nishat Bagh, and Shalimar Bagh in Srinagar, Shanti Stupa in Leh. Dal Lake in Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. It is also named as the Lake of Flowers, Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir, or Srinagar Jewel. The Hazrat Bal Shrine is a Muslim shrine in Hazrat Bal, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir in India. Hazrat meaning respected and the Kashmiri word Bal meaning place. Nishat Bagh is a terraced Mughal garden built on the eastern side of the lake close to Srinagar. Shalimar Bagh is a Mughal garden in Srinagar. Shanti Stupa is situated at the height of 4,267 meters overlooking the Leh city. Important crops in Jammu and Kashmir are apples, saffron, almonds, walnut and cashew nut. Traditional food of Jammu and Kashmir is rice with a meat dish, rajma or pulses, khawa a special tea. Traditional dress of Jammu and Kashmir is both men and women wear a long woolen cloak called piran. Jammu and Kashmir is the only almond and saffron producing state in the country. Besides this, walnuts and cashew nuts and the apples from Kashmir are famous all over the world. Some of the languages spoken in Jammu and Kashmir are Dogri, Urdu and Pashto. The folk dances of Jammu and Kashmir are Ruif, Baghat Jashan. The handicrafts which is famous for Jammu and Kashmir are woolen carpets, shawls, silk saree and paper mat products. Kashmiri carpets are famous worldwide because of its speciality of being handmade and rich in texture. Paper mat products means items made from pieces of paper mixed with glue or with flour and water.
I hope you all got clear information about Jammu and Kashmir. Have a nice day.